wanted to deal with a question that people have posed often when I do reviews, which is why I use a microphone and sound system when I'm working with instruments and even testing them. So I wanted to go over the answer to that. This is a Bulletini microphone. I have a little tape here to make the gripping easier, and it has the Samson Wireless. This is made by Blows Me Away Productions. So it would be, I think it's blowsmeaway.com. The harp is a B flat Pissardo Special 64, but here's why I use a mic. Listen to the sound through the microphone and the volume. Now, if you try to play a chromatic harmonica acoustically with guitars, it's not going to stand out well, especially an acoustic guitar. And people don't, most of the people that perform put them on sound systems. So if you're not using a microphone when you're playing, you're not going to be participating in a lot of modern music. And then the question becomes, okay, well then why when I'm practicing do I use the mic? Because I don't have to, right? There aren't other musicians here. Well, because I want to have the identical experience that I'm going to have when I'm doing TV or doing a live performance. I want it exactly the way it's going to be. So I practice it the way it's going to be. And I know, you walk onto a TV show, forget playing acoustically, that's just not going to happen. Not at all. They're going to walk in, and if you're going to have your gear, you'll have your electronic stuff, you'll set it up. You're not going to be using a studio mic or anything. You'll use one of these and going into your system and going on top of music, and it's not going to happen that you're playing acoustically. I mean, you might play a couple of notes or something, but they're not geared up to have a standing mic for you or anything that would even come close to working. So I'm just saying, in the real world, we live in an electronic age. I mean, that's just the fact. That's the way it is. I think this is a great mic, by the way, the Bulletini. It does have the volume control on the back. I like that. And I love the wireless. From the time I tried wireless, I never used a wire again.